Hi to all. With the help of this video, now I'm going to make you understand reported speech. You all have a question that what is direct and indirect speech? Let us try to understand what is that at first. Sometimes we have to give information about what other people say or think. So in order to do this, you can use direct or indirect speech. I'm repeating, direct or indirect speech to give information about what other people say or think. What is direct speech? Saying exactly what someone said is called direct speech. And you can recognize this with the help of quotations. See one example. And this is an example sentence for direct speech. What is indirect speech or reported speech? See here, indirect speech, sometimes called reported speech, and does not use quotation marks to enclose what the person said. And see an example sentence. And this is an example sentence for indirect speech. Please have a look at it. It is indirect speech and it is direct speech. If anybody wants to understand reported speech to the full, he or she has to go through the common do's and don'ts of reported speech to the full. Then only he can understand the entire knowledge of reported speech. Here you have been given three important points that you have to follow. First one is tense changes table. Second one, pronouns changes table. Third one, adverbs of place and time changes table. And these three tables you have to learn definitely. And along with these three tables, you have to follow the steps of changing direct into indirect speech. What are they? And these steps are according to the each and every method. And actually there are 5 methods. And coming with the first step, changing of reporting verb in quoted clause, and using a proper conjunction in place of quotations, and changing of tense in quoted clause, and changing of adverbs and time and place. It's a pronouns table. All of you please have a look at and learn to the full. But you have to remember one thing, and that is while changing direct into indirect speech, remember one thing, subjective pronouns are changed into another subjective pronouns. See here, all these are subjective pronouns. These subjective pronouns are changed into another subjective pronoun only. For example, I may be changed into you or he or she, but I cannot be changed into his or yours or mine. And similarly, objective pronouns are changed into another objective pronouns. That means here these are all objective pronouns. Me may be changed into him or her, but me cannot be changed into I or he. And accordingly, other pronouns and adjectives. It's a tenses changes table. From this table, what you have to understand is the tense of a direct speech is changed into another tense in indirect speech. What is that? Let us try to understand one example. For example, the simple present of direct speech is changed into simple past in indirect speech. Similarly, rest of the ones, please have a look at for some time and try to understand the tenses change table. It's a table of changes of adverbs of time and place. Please have a look at for some time. For example, today of direct speech is changed into that day, and tonight, that night, yesterday, the day before yesterday. Similarly, rest of the ones have some time for this table.